Hi everyone, welcome back in my YouTube channel. How are you guys? I hope my lovely YouTube family you will be fine. You will see the start of most beautiful hand embroidery designs. You will see the start of most beautiful and outstanding and different styles, different hand embroidery designs ideas on my channel. So guys, for watching my all videos, keep this my channel and supporting me by sharing my all videos. You will see the such a most beautiful and outstanding all best videos and best hand embroidery designs ideas on my channel. Guys, for watching my all videos. This is unique and outstanding 2023 upcoming and unique new collections and best patterns and best bodycon dress designs and evening party dress designs ideas. Let's sheet and different styles and amazing all collections. You will see the such a most beautiful different flowers and silk hand embroidery designs. 2023 and upcoming unique and outstanding all best patterns and best hand embroidery designs. You will see the stylish and unique all best patterns and outstanding all unique new collections. All best hand embroidery designs, different patterns and unique new all collections in 2023 upcoming and unique new best patterns and best hand embroidery designs ideas with border designs ideas on my channel. So till the next video guys, and for watching my all videos, how much beautiful and unique new all best hand embroidery designs. Best videos and best hand embroidery designs with border designs ideas. Guys, for watching my all videos and very unique and outstanding all collections and best patterns, best hand embroidery designs. So till the next video guys, and for watching my all videos and latest unique and most beautiful and different styles and different all best collections and best hand embroidery designs ideas on my channel. So till the next video guys, and for watching my all videos, you will see the stylish and outstanding and amazing all best patterns and best hand embroidery designs. So till the next video guys, and for watching my all videos.